Hi everyone, welcome to Wheat Harvest Paradox. Now, don't know too much about this game. I know buildings fall in the background. Seems to be a bit dystopian. And I've just noticed the rain is from the ground up, making clouds or something. Not too sure what this is. One day a meteorite fell into one of the poorest cities, which mixed two directions of time. Oh, that must be the rain. It's the usual one that goes forward and reverse time. Because of this, temporary chain was formed in which the direction of time changes every day. Okay. Do I like unbreathe or something? Alright, what's going on? Big explosion. And? Big explosion? Yeah, I think so. What's this? How do I interact with stuff? I don't need to go to sleep now. Okay, cool. Do I like unsleep, become tired? Bread, water, only on normal days. Okay, so good morning, combiner, or rather evening, because it's a reverse day. Yeah, I remind you at the end of the day it must be exchanged for wheat harvest for our currency, wheat coin. Cool. Is it wheat coin like Bitcoin? That's, oh, right, I have none. Okay. Let me get some wheat coin. How about you? How you doing? I set myself on fire. How you doing? Oh, another reverse day. Should I survive? Glad you're so optimistic about that. Let's get out of here. Okay, so... Wow. This is a wreck. How are you doing? Managed to come up with a formula to charge my invention, which will break the time loop. Time will be normal forever. Hooray! True, I need a lot of wheat to make fuel for my invention from it. But why? Actually, except wheat from form of coins, okay. Do we, like, compact wheat into coins or something? What's this? Is your invention? I don't know. Ooh, look at that. That's wonderful. Nice wheat harvester thingy. Hello, I'm a mechanic and I take care of your combine. I feel like I would know that, but thank you. Remember, this field has a reverse copy of you and the combine. I was upgraded to combine harvest faster and better. Take a look at the available upgrades. I work for wheat coins. Cool. Engine, 4,000. I wonder how many I get a day. Okay. Close. Cutting size, quality, steering wheel, and engine. Alright, can I, like, do my stuff? Cool. 0. Okay. Nice. Oh yeah. So good at this game. Greatest person ever at this game. Is that the reverse thing? Can I destroy it? Well. Anyways. This is kinda boring. For you guys, maybe? Maybe I'll cut it or something. Okay, fourth of the way there, not bad. I guess as I upgrade it more, it'll be easier to finish. But for now, I'm stuck like this. Current direction of time backward, so... What do you mean backward? Taking the wheat, right? Right? Oh, that was reverse thunder. Okay. Cool. Required minimum 40%. Oh, I'll just go to like 50% or something. Alright. So maybe on another day it'll like plant the wheat or something. Okay, 50, cool. R. How many wheat coins do I have? Sell wheat. Oh, nice. Okay, so I need like 200,000 coins to beat the game, I think, from that scientist dude. I need to sleep or unsleep. Alright, another day, another wheat coin. Alright. Do people talk backwards? Apparently not. Alright, let me see if I can upgrade anything, because I'm pretty sure it was cheap enough. Oh yeah. I can upgrade the steering wheel. I don't think I need that. Cutting bar size and quality. Actually, movement speed. Alright, close. Let's do this. Okay, so forward time. So, wait a minute. Am I taking... Whoa. What's going on? Oh gosh, that's me. Okay. Oh, was I planting wheat? Oh no. It just reverses what I was doing. Okay, so again, minimum required 40, but I guess we'll go to 50. So, yeah, I'm harvesting wheat a lot faster. And we take the wheat that you just planted. Hold on. Give me it. All of it. All of the wheat. Am I faster than you? I think so. Should probably get out of your way. Chasing myself down. I wonder if I can break down what I've done. Or break down yesterday's work, like if I run into myself. But, okay, 42%. Let's just get to 50. And we'll be done. Almost there. And 50. Cool. Awesome. Wow. Look at this. Premium bedroom. What happened? The meteor strike back or something? Oh, does it strike like every day? That would be kind of cool. Interesting. Yeah, 200,000 for you. I've got 11,000. I got like a 20th of that. Okay. Better quality. That should be good. And steering wheel, I don't really see a need for that, but well, I guess it's should be decent. Okay. There I am. Uh-oh. Alright. Oh crap, I was really close to myself. Not gonna risk hitting myself just in case. I wonder if I should see myself on like the first day, if I should have seen myself then. Guess I wouldn't because it's a start, but okay. Halfway there. Really messy cutting this wheat now. Hello, me. I might go over 50% today, maybe. Just to see if I can get some more coins. Let's go to maybe 60 or 70 or something. Yeah, that should be good enough. Alright, I think the quality is better, so, ooh, nice. Alright. Let's go. Another day, another dollar. Actually, probably a lot more dollars. Quality is... that's what I'm gonna try and go after. Alright, sir. I need some premium wheat. There's quality. There we go. Amazing. Feel faster. So I guess there's two barns for the cutter, but because, you know, forward time and backwards time or whatever. Alright, 30%, 35. And I guess you can stop at 50 just to see how much quality is better than yesterday. So much more pristine, so much more healthy bread. Alright, cool. Enough for today. Wow. It's like the same amount as yesterday, I think. Okay, yeah, quality is it's gonna get us out of here. So I guess maybe go up to 50% or 60% every day. Upgrade quality. I'll upgrade it today and then might stop after that. Hello. Quality. There we go. It's getting more expensive. Let me chase myself. Give you a head start. Come here. Can't plant wheat faster than I can eat it. Come here. Oh, 31% or whatever. Wonder if I could crash into one of these buildings and then not survive or something. Have to restart. That's why I don't want to crash into the other wheat thing, because I have to restart, and that would kind of stink. Or I might do something to time or something. Merge into one wheat harvester. Alright, how about it? 100,000. Okay, I'm halfway there. Alright. Feel like if I upgrade it one more time and then do like 2 more days of work, that should be enough to give the weak coins to the onesie lab coat dude. Alright, quality. Oh, yeah, maxed out. Okay. Awesome. Let's do this. Maybe I can go to like 60 or do more today, because that might just be the extra stretch needed to get that 200,000. Whoa, look out. Alright, so nearing 40. Whoa. Almost ran into him there. Might have clipped his razor slash planter thing. Come here. Oh, you went back home. I see how it is. Not trying to plant anymore. It's fine. Just take more wheat. Yes, sir. Alright, that should do it. How much today, sir? Wow. Amazing. Just one more day. And then we're out of here. I think I could do like 40% today. I don't have to go overboard with it. And unmeteor strike thing. I like how it wakes me up just on the sound. Wood. Climax or whatever. Alright, let's go. Straight to work today, no upgrades. Reverse thunderbolt thing. Interesting sound. Cool. 4th of the way there. And I wonder if it's just mirroring what I did yesterday, planting the amount that I took. So I guess I'll be going home sooner than this. Nice, halfway there. Because again, the minimum is 40%. Almost there. Whoa, look out. And 40. Cool. That should do it. We sell it to you, go to sleep, and then... Awesome. Sell it to the Teletubby hazmat suit guy. I don't need to sleep now. You're right, I need to give all my money to him. Just cuz. Alright. Complete. What's going on? Oh. Cool. It's like I can like shoot down the meteor or something. Oh wow. Is that a wheat crystal? No way. Why are the buildings built like that? Ooh. Sick. Alright. Made in 72 hours. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next video.